Let me show you how to create a realistic drop shadow in Photoshop. Type the text. Alt press copy. Hold Shift and select these two layers. Right-click and choose Convert to Smart Object. Press Ctrl J to make a copy. Hide this layer. Choose this layer, go to Layer Style and choose Color Overlay. Choose the black color and then press OK. Unhide this layer, choose this layer. Go to Filter. Blur Gallery. Choose Path Blur. Uncheck Center Blur. Follow this process. You can play around with the shadow as you follow this process. When you finish, press OK. That's it. Hope you like. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.